first day I left Sacramento and went down to Mojave, California, and just outside of Mojave, about 15 miles or so, is Red Rock Canyon State Park, and I camped there for the evening.
This is the campground at Red Rock Canyon State Park, and just outside of Mojave, and this is where I'm camping for the night, getting ready to go down to the ADV rally, and I'll be staying about 20 miles outside in a little campground called Vallecito. And this is the campground that I grabbed for tonight. Had a great ride coming down here. Hit no rain, just some wind coming over the top of Tehachapi, but nothing like what they forecasted. They had forecasted gusts of 50 miles an hour, and the max was maybe 20. It was no big deal at all.
So the next day I packed up and headed down to Vallecito Stage Station, which was about maybe 10 miles from where the ADV rally was. Had a great ride going down there. The next morning I left camp and headed up to Julian, California, to kind of check it out. What I'd like you to notice here is the difference between all this desert vegetation and then when I get up through Julian, how green it turns and so forth. This is all within about an 18-mile distance. Just amazing.
This is a famous Mom's Pie place in Julian, California. And if you could only if we had smell-o-vision, man, this place is unbelievable. It smells so good. You grab a piece of pie and you go down and sit down in that direction down there. Fabulous place. This is the November 2022 Adventure Rally, and just outside of Julian, California. And these are the demo trucks. Right now everybody's out riding and stuff, so it's pretty empty at the moment. But you can get a gist of kind of what all's here. And I think the place starts rocking about 3-4 o'clock. everybody starts coming in. You got Harley Davidson demos, you got Yamaha demos, you got Rocky Mountain ATV down here. You got some camping area all out through here, and which I'm not doing. I'm camping further on down the road. Over here we got Vance and Hines, Tommy Lee Designs. This is the event center and the registration center, and I believe they have some talks going on here too. Here's Troy Lee Designs, Barkbusters, Motaz, Black Dog Cycle Works, Nelson Rigs, and this is the rally center. This is where you register. This is the registration center in here, and that young lady right down there is the one that said, "Henry, I could pick your stuff up for you." And unfortunately, I didn't know Brian's last name, so I couldn't get it. And we got Alpenstars in here, Enduristan, Alpenstars. Pretty cool. Here we have oh, this is Kawasaki. It's KLRs. I guess they're KLR demos. Some people kicking back by the campfire there. Just enjoying the afternoon. It's really nice. It's about 65, 70 degrees, no wind.
This was my camp at Vallecito, and it was a great place to stay. I was about the only one there. Now this is a Octello cactus, and they'd had a lot of rain, and when they do, these things suck it up and turn green. It's amazing just how quick the desert blooms, if you will. This is one of the Butterfield Overland Mail stations that ran mail and coaches, passengers as well, from Texas all the way up through New Mexico, Arizona, through here, and on up to San Francisco, and ran between 1858 and 1861. Next morning, there was a beautiful sunrise, and it was time to head home. I had a great time. Missed all the bad weather for the most part, and just thoroughly enjoyed myself. And I'd love to do it again next year.
I don't know if you can tell from this or not, but I hit the mountain right here is protecting me from the wind. It's blowing like 40 miles an hour crosswind, and you can see up there it's just dusty. There's a big dust storm going on, so you just never know. Good old desert and the desert winds.